What's up YouTube? So today we're going to be sound deadening the sidewalls of the van. I bought this sound deadening from a company called Sound Dead Shop on eBay, made by a company called Silent Coat. It's 2mm thick self-adhesive sound deadening. We will be demonstrating on this panel here. Obviously I need to cut the carpet back and then we will stick them on. Now I've removed the carpet with the stuff on the sidewall. That's come off. Now it's time to stick the sound deadening on. The self-adhesive, so just literally peel the back off and stick it on. A dense rubbery back to it, a putty sort of. Not there. I haven't got a roller, so we'll use a rag. Should be effective. Push it on. I think I paid £35 for 30 sheets of this. I don't think it's going to be enough because I've still got all these under panels to do. Behind the installation nothing's been done, so that one is to come back out and redone. Put them on there. Rub them out. Okay, it doesn't need to look pretty. Nobody's going to ever see it. Let's just try and keep the vehicle noise down. Put a link in the description where the seller on eBay purchased this from. Split one in half. Straight edge and a Stanley knife. And that is pretty much how you sound deaden your sidewalls in your van. In my next video I should be doing the floor sound deadening. I hope this helped. Please subscribe, like and share. Thanks for watching.